Hello, I'm playing Tornado Alley Ultimate now. And let's start. I've played this game before with like black holes and blah blah blah. A lot of disasters here. 40 maps, blah blah. Let's start. And I hope I don't die. Tornado Alley Ultimate start. Okay. Tornado Alley Community. What one? No, I'm not entering the map. No, you're not. What this? This is terrible. Where What's happening? Is anything broken? I can't see anything. Oh, there am I. There I am. Doors. Oh my god. Oh, that was intermission. Not voting in progress. I'm not gonna vote. I'll see what happens. I'm joining. See, guys. Okay, what's happening now? Shit. Okay. Oh my gosh. I won't be able to survive this. Okay, what is it this time? Okay. Mother Nature? Cool. Ghost natives. Okay, I'll just hide. Run for your life, Thomas. Tornado. Power lines? No, I don't want to be in the power line. I'm hiding right over here. Oh no. Is this gonna be blood rain again? No. I like this music though. What? Where are you today? Oh my. What is that? Don't come at me. Don't come at me. Don't come at me. I'm right at the edge. Is that the ghost? No. Run away from the map? No, no. Oh. Jesus mercy. I'm terrible. It's okay. Why is it always so hard? Oh my god. Oh god. Oh Guess not safe. Flood. I remember flood. It was flood. The high ground. What's the high ground? Over no, we'll go up here. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no! Goodbye everyone. Oh yeah. Goodbye me. Toastnado? What? Yin and yang. Tartarus? Oh, this one, that's the one that I just did. Noobnado, yeah, I want Noobnado. Noobnado. You're noob. Zeus. Give me your power. Fornado. Oh my god, what else is there? I know. Chompnado, the sharks. It's freaking flung everywhere. Double trouble. Alright. I don't want any double trouble today. Here. I can see anything. Infernate. What? Oh, everyone just respawned. Who died? Who survived? Oh my god. Unplayable. Intermission. How do you vote for a map? Don't beat. I said beat this native is. Pentanate. This is 5 natives. Death Valley extra. I'll choose this one. What's this? What's this with Death Valley? Triple threat. Oh my god, no. I I am king. I want to go to the shop. Dinner. I want a dinner. Yeah. What else is here? Nothing else is here. Go up. Shelter. UFO world is shelter. Shelter. UFO world is shelter. We just not in here and not die. Go up so I can see what happened. Go. 5 feet of mine. Here, 5 feet, 5 feet. No. Run. Run, everybody. You're alive. This is one life. See, sucks. Get up. Let's check in from scratch now. I don't want to touch it now because down. Yeah, that was your long. Oh, it's in a bat. I have a fire extinguisher. Bet. Yay, coins. I don't care. I care about surviving. I was killed. Was in yeah, I'm not getting any word here. Oh my gosh, I arrived. I got this version of this on a mini coding program that's not just because it's so easy to make stuff. 3D stuff, blah blah. I'll talk about that in another video. Oh my god. Purchase a private server to open this door and look private server. Get what? Where am I? I'm gonna go in here and see what's up. And excitement so I was reading this. Okay, cool. I'm just looking around. Fan art. Okay, good. Starting. What's your time? But you can set wood in sources of flame. Don't get trapped in. Okay. Glacier Lake Airport. Yes. I'm gonna die. This time I'm winning, 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 winning. Tuesday. It's not even holiday yet. I actually like this one. Dead zombies. I'm popular as no. I will survive this time and I will hide in home now. Run away, run all you now. Run. I'm gonna die now. Cause y'all don't be wearing yourself. I'm gonna die, aren't I? Boy. Chimney. I was thinking of the chimney, so I'm safe. It's gonna be right here. Right here. Serious. Where's the tornado? Oh, it's not the tornado, right? Okay, that's not the tornado. Or am I just inside the tornado now? Where's the tornado? It's over there. Zombies are coming. No. I'm gonna survive up here. Anyway. Don't eat my brains. Yeah. No. Not dying today. Don't come over to me. Come over here. Don't sleep over. Not sleep over. Where are you doing? Where am I? It's like in the corner of the map. No! I don't want any fire. I just want to go to the corner of the map. The first shift. What's happening? This is not high. Yeah. I accept defeat. I accept defeat. Can we use it or I can swim? I realize I can swim. So, yeah. Hello. Yep. I'm dead. Forecast error. What's up? I'm gonna rejoin. Yes, I'm to recover. Yeah. I'm gonna start this thing. I don't care. No. Didn't expect that. So 2 perished while 9 survived. And I one of those 2 perished. No, do not send me back to the lobby. Okay, back to more of this. Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Come me light. Mission. Don't get back in here. Mission. Okay. Okay. Let's go on. Blah blah blah. Tropical Metropolis. Metropolis! Okay, I don't care. Atom? No, I want 1 life lose. 15 shelter. I don't care. I don't want the shelter. Actually, I want the shelter. Never mind. I used all my Robux before. No. Rubber duck. Yeah, that's the troll face. Troll. That's the troll face. Yeah. Trolling evil that. That's all. No. No. Let me just go back. Go. No, my God! My God! Where am I? The bed. Yeah, I think it's too high for you to actually get. No! Help me. What the video says. Actually, I don't about what it said. What did it say? Yeah, don't blow me up though. I'm sorry. What's wrong with you? Number. I'm just gonna tell you something good. No, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Now, get to high ground. So I was high ground, please. Yay, survive. Oh, I can't get to high ground. Someone help. What? There's no other. Was it just a... Okay, good. Okay, I love this game. That will be it for today, okay? Goodbye, everybody. Now, I'm just check on Go Garden next time. Next video, Go Garden, okay? Goodbye now. Exit the signal. Tornado, ultimate. Can't tell about this game. But moon, blah, blah, blah. Well, goodbye for now. Goodbye for next video, please. Goodbye.